Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we're delighted to unveil the Emu Utingat 2025 2-ounce silver antique coloured coin, designed by contemporary Aboriginal artist Chern'ee Sutton. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity and housed in a display case and illustrated shipper, the coin features a painted representation of the emu, or Utingat as it is known in the Kalkadoon language. The coin is struck from 2 ounces of 99.99% pure silver with coloured and antiqued surface treatments. The emu features markings and 3 young chicks. The background includes a large yellow circle surrounded by yellow, orange and red coloured dots representing the sun. The community symbol in the centre of the sun symbolises the many diverse communities and landscapes the emu calls home. A grey floating feather adds further meaning, with emus often leaving their feathers around their nests and across country. The green and brown arches serve as mountains. The blue-lined pattern features a trail of footprints highlighting the emu's track and journey through life. This element also represents a flowing river, with the circles inside and around symbolising waterholes. Included in the design is the Perth Mint's P Mint mark and the 2025 year date. Issued as Australian legal tender, the coin bears the Dan Thorne effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well as the weight, purity and monetary denomination. With only 2,000 of these exclusive Emu Utingat coins available, visit the Perth Mint shop or order online at perthmint.com to avoid disappointment.